In this video, I'll show you how to convert a hard copy document into a soft copy. Let's get started. First, take a clear photo of your physical document. For example, this could be a letter or any printed paper you want to convert. Next, open Browser and go to Google Gemini. Tap on the plus icon, then select Upload Files. Choose the image of your document and upload it. Once uploaded, type a prompt like "Convert this into editable text" and press Enter. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your file. After that, you'll see your document converted into text. Now, simply copy the text. Open a Google Docs or any text editor and paste it. You can now edit the content as needed. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert a hard copy document into a soft copy using AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.